Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alyssa. I'm here with another YouTube video. Before we start this video, make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair review video. We're going to be doing a hair review today with Asteria Hair. Asteria Hair sent me this beautiful deep wave wig. This is what the wig looks like. She's long. As you can see, it's giving scalp. This wig is already pre-plucked and pre-parted, which I really do appreciate because it just makes my job and my hairstylist's job easier. So this wig is 28 inches. It is a 13 by 4 frontal and it is a 250 density in case anyone was wondering and wanted to buy the same exact one. All of the wig details, link, and everything to the wig will be down below in the description box in case you guys want to go shop my wig. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and install this right now. As you can see, I'm here with Maya. I can't wait for her to slay this wig, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so they gave me like a little wig bag, right? Yeah, okay. Melting edge melting band, and then edge brush, and you know, the little lashes. You could definitely use this. Last time I washed my hair, I really blow dried my hair, like with the thing, brush thingy, with the roller thing. Yeah. Okay, this is our base.
We're trying a new method today, like no cap. A lot of my clients have been saying it looks more natural. It's a little hard when you have 30 inches of hair, but we are.
I think Maya's taking the clips out the way.
I'm trying to take out this band because sometimes when you have a bigger head, it just doesn't work well. Like it makes your wig slide back. There it goes.
This is the band that was inside the wig. I'm sure if you have a smaller head, it probably would accommodate you.
That band is perfect because you can tighten it and all that good stuff. But yeah.
Well, you could loosen it.
Right. But it also is just kind of in the way sometimes. Okay, whenever I pull forward, you pull your head back.
Okay.
Perfect. See how natural that looks? Like, it doesn't look like she has a cap on over there.
You know what's playing in my head?
What?
The Wii music. No, it's like dun, 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 dun,
Go down, go down, go down, go down. I hate when y'all fingers, y'all don't go.
I'm gonna put the Wii music over this.
That's crazy. Okay. Same motion. Also, be careful with that little tug and pull motion with your clients because you can rip the wig clean in half. I'm not speaking from experience.
Oh.
But as you can see, she's on here over the glue, so we don't have to worry about any stickies. Okay, the same right here. Go down some.
I'm gonna show them.
Just show them. See how natural that looks without the cap? Even the part, like, bonita.
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
This one wants put some little cup.
I don't know. Should we? I mean, we just did a side, but I like this side with the curly. No? Why you just roll your eyes at me?
I did not.
I saw it.
I'm going.
What do you think we should do?
Well, first of all, I have to figure out how to get this on here without it going down your little flat forehead.
And then we'll put this on the top.
Oh shit. ASMR. Okay, hold this up. ASMR. Yeah.
And we'll be back after it finishes melting. I would say give it about 5 to 10
Been
minutes.
for an hour. Whatever you can say. I'm just running y'all like 15 minutes.
It looks really melted. Pete, what are you doing?
Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next. Yeah, my do hair good as fuck. Oh, fuck.
I like the widow's peak.
I was an accident.
I like it. I do like big hair. I haven't really said much because I had to use the restroom.
So you gonna have to wait.
Yeah, I know. That's why I just been
Right. Yeah, we were filming for a sec. That was humiliating. Anyways, I don't argue with all my clients like this. Only the really annoying ones.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Are you gonna put some product in the hair?
Did you buy some product?
Okay. I have some at home.
Right.
Fucking bitch.
I have a little nose.
Yeah, maybe.
Do you want that?
You need to get that silicone mix stuff you had last time. Not the actual like deep conditioner, but like you know that other bottle that you had. Why when we went to DR they had a whole like
Yeah, because that's
yeah, I know. I was like, this is the home of silicone mix. Like it was like a whole like product display of like different shit I've never seen from
That's
them.
crazy. I really would like to go back there for Memorial Day weekend specifically. They're having like their some type of something that's supposed to be like big party type shit, whatever.
Interesting.
Very interesting. But the hotel I stayed at and the hotel you stayed at are both sold out.
What?
And I'm not settling for anything.
Are you
less.
serious? They're sold
I
out.
swear. And we checked like a month ago.
What?
Yeah, so whatever this is, it's been known about.
And it's big. That's crazy. Not the finest. Not all the rooms at the finest are sold out.
Girl.
Did you look
That's how it
on?
was for my birthday because I was going to stay there first, but they were sold out, so that's why I did Serenade.
Wow.
They sell out kind of fast.
There was so many rooms available when I went for my birthday, but also it was like the end of summer. So that explains a lot. This hair looks cute.
So you want it like this instead of like...
Maybe like wet it just a little bit more.
So you want it completely wet, guys?
No, it's just kind of still dry right here.
Bro, curly hair literally eats water.
No, literally, like
When you stayed at Finest, did you do like the Excellence Club and all that extra shit?
Yeah,
It was worth it?
yeah, I liked it. I wish I could have stayed longer just to really enjoy it more. Okay.
Perfection. I like to put mousse on the top and just kind of like let my comb work it through because the mousse keeps from giving like such a poofy look at the top. I always brush the hair from the bottom to the top. Don't be like me.
It was when my mom called me telling me she's off so we can hang out. She's funny.
She loves her baby.
She does. She probably want to do some. We go to Costco. I need that membership, babe. I need to start getting all my like toiletries.
No bullshit.
Yeah, it just be hard because they go on Saturdays when we're working.
Yeah, and I have not off.
Not off. Saturday is like probably one of our best days, honestly.
Because everybody works during the week.
So you got to get the ones who are off on Saturdays.
And they trying to get them services. So I ain't missing no Saturdays. So somebody asked me, do you work on Saturdays? Yes, they're just never available. Gotta think ahead.
The girls who book early, they be knowing.
They already be knowing what time it is. They know what type of time. Are you okay?
No. It was that one piece of hair that just kept falling to the front, pissing me off.
That was
This
just
piece
bad.
of hair. I feel like these lashes, like with the wig facelift, it looks really good. Yeah, I think I might fuck with this no baby hairs look. I've never done no baby hairs with a curly wig, but I'm intrigued. This is like some shiny stuff,
This is my favorite shit in the world.
but it can get oily really fast.
So straight hair, don't do what's going on here.
No, literally don't.
This is literally only a curly hair thing.
If you have straight hair, it's like one spray
And
in
then
your
from
hand.
all the way over
Yeah,
here,
and
you
like
can even
rub it
see.
through.
And go. See how you just saw it fall down? Greasy. You don't want to be no greasy. Ooh, it doesn't do anything. It's just like the water and stuff.
Just added a little bitty concealer to my parts.
She's taking it.
This hair is big. I need to like stand up so y'all can see how long this freaking hair is. Look. It's pretty long.
Stretch it.
It's pretty long, if you ask me.
It's long as fuck.
What?
Can you cuss on here?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You've been cussing this whole time.
Ah! I'm
This
just
is what the
saying.
hair looks like. Real cute. I like the now baby hairs. I'm not gonna lie. I'm fucking with the now baby hair.
It just looks clean.
This is the final lookie. This hair is so big.
Angly.
I know when it comes to this content and the wigs, I'm gonna chew every time. Makeup is fire. Lashes are fire. I definitely am feeling myself. Make sure you guys shop Asteria hair. My lace is melted, period. I love that for us. Again, this is a 28-inch 250 density wig. This wig is so fire, y'all. I mean, look at the melt. Look at the hair. This hair looks so bomb. Make sure y'all go shop. This is the end of my video though, y'all. So I just wanted to get on here and say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like this video, drop a comment, go check out this wig. The link is located in the bio. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini wig install. Again, fire. Like, yeah, it looks good.